This video is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake human verification alerts which are associated with the website 18videoon.com. This is a misleading pop-up that may suddenly attack Google, Chrome and other browsers. 18videoon.com tries to trick people into clicking on allow, supposedly to confirm that the person is not a robot. But to click on allow is extremely dangerous. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked. It will be infected with numerous advertisements that will keep popping up in the right part of your screen. So obviously you should deactivate these ads immediately. Access the menu, refer to settings, then select privacy and security, choose site settings, go down to permissions, choose notifications. Pay careful attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this 18videoon.com, of course you should remove it from this list. Finally, I recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it using this special green download button, install the program, and begin researching your computer with Combo Cleaner to detect and delete other possibly concealed infections from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.